Lindsey and Anna, you girls are all geared up, getting ready to go jump on the beach.
Yeah.
You excited?
No, I'm nervous.
You look nervous. How about you there, Lindsey?
Very excited.
You look excited. You ready to go do some flips?
Oh yeah.
All right, so you girls are from Santa Cruz.
SC.
Woo, SC girls. Is it true what they say about Santa Cruz girls?
Maybe.
I don't know. What do they say?
Sure.
Santa Cruz girls know how to party.
Oh yeah.
All right, so.
From last night, but I'm good.
All right, you got anything you want to say before we go, Lindsey?
I love my
do this.
family.
Let's do it.
Take care of my
Yes,
cat.
do it.
Okay, I see you got something to say. Now it's your turn.
Yeah, I love my family. Take care of my cat for me if we don't make it.
All right, girls, get together. Give me a big thumbs up. All right, we'll see you up there.
Nothing like my practice.
All right, let's look at the camera. Give me a thumbs up. No, I didn't do the high performance thing. Just it's too windy. All right, hey, welcome to Skydive.
Thanks, man. That
All right,
was awesome.
what was your favorite part?
Oh, the whole thing, the flips.
Yeah, the flips. You like the flips?
I think everybody really
All
likes
right. All right, guys, everybody get together. Hug over here, Alex. Come over here. All right, Ryan, let's give a big thumbs up. Hey, Skydive on the beach here, lovely Skydive Surfcity with Lindsey and Anna. I'm Chester, that's Alex. Everybody, see you. See ya!